New technologies are in use everywhere. They're in use in our cars, in our classrooms, even in our homes. Those same technologies are available for use in our plant floor, and they should be used in our plant floor. Where the FreePoint black box will connect to any machine non-invasively. Standard tablets, cell phones, LCDs available at your big box stores can be easily used to connect with your people. It's as simple as switching out your bulletin boards and your whiteboards for large interactive LCD screens and your clipboards and pencils for tablets. So there's really no reason, technically speaking, that you cannot be bringing these technologies to the plant floor today, connecting to all of your machines and connecting with all of your people. That's the reason that FreePoint got started, to deliver those solutions and those technologies to our North American manufacturing plant floors today.